Okay, so this is a discussion about what to do if you find yourself having to play a song in the key of F and what options you might have. For our example, we're going to use Reckless Love by Bethel, and it is in the key of F natively, and the key of F has some bar chords in it, so we want to avoid that if at all possible on the acoustic so we can let these open strings ring out. And there are options with a capo to play in the key of F. I'm choosing capo on 1. E and F are a half step apart, so I'll put the capo on 1, and I'll use chords in the key of E, only it'll be the alternate chords that we'll be using that allow us to have all those open strings ringing. So in the verse and in the chorus there are 4 chords that are repeated, and the verse and the chorus are very similar. For the verse, we have a C sharp minor 7, we have a B sus4, and we have an A sus2, and we repeat the A sus2. Now bear in mind it's an A sus2 and a B sus4 and a C sharp minor 7 with a capo on 1 using, the chords that are in the key of E. They would actually be, according to the song sheet, your D minor, your C, and your B flat major. But we're going to call them by what the chord sheet names them, just to keep it simple. So the strum, where to put those down strums, the tempo of the song is in 6/8, so it's counted out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the emphasis is on 1 and 4, so that's where you can strum, and its most basic location would be on those downbeats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, Is only one chord different, still 4 chords, but we start the same way with the C sharp minor 7 to the B sus 4 to the A sus 2. We come down and grab the E major, and that repeats. And again, the strums are on emphasis on 1 and 4 on the 6/8 time, so we can count it out this way or strum it out this way. Once you have that down, we can add some additional complexity to the strum pattern and make it have more of a groove. Find something that fits and honors the groove and the rhythm and the feel of the song. You don't have to do it exactly like I'm doing it. Just try to find your own groove, if you will. For the verse, the way that I'm going to strum this is down. So I'm going to change the rhythm up a little bit and make it emphasize those first 3 hits. It'll still have that funny up strum at the end though, so it sounds like this on the chorus. So. Practice that, and then I'll just put it together real quick for you and make it play one verse and one chorus. So. that C sharp minor 7. It gets repeated. And then it continues with the chorus, chords, the progression. Alright, so you can do that. What I like to do is to change that up a little bit and use some of the other chords that are in the key of E, these alternate chords. We take the F sharp minor 7 shape and we move it up to the 10th fret. It becomes another C sharp minor 7, a different way to play it. See, it's the same chord but a different voicing as this C sharp minor 7. Play it here, and then I'll pivot down to a C without the bar chord, and I'll put it in the chord sheet. One whole step down from there. It's really open sounding chords, and then go back to the E. So that was. So in the bridge, instead of just strumming on that and waiting for the chord progression to change, I'll do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And then when the chord progression starts again, I'll use these chords up here. And I'll mix those in also, so I'm not playing. That is pretty repetitive of a chord progression, so I'll mix those in, especially toward the end when we build. Alright, so in summary, here's how the different parts would go together. The verse, the chorus, the bridge 1, and then the build that takes it to the end of the song. So.
the 99 to find the one every time. And your love leaves the 99 to find the one every time, no matter the cost. If I make my bed in hell, you're there. There's nowhere we can hide. The love of God chases us down. Sing that bridge with me one more time. There's no shadow. There's no shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming